Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can create a Facebook group. The way is very simple. For this, you will just go to the Facebook application. Now here you will need to click on your menu. After that, you click on the button Groups, and here you can create your group. For this, you click For You. After that, you will need to click on the button here, plus click, and here now you will need to select the item, Create a Group. If you do not have it here, you go from here, click again, plus, and click here, Create a Group. That is, you may open it first that, because you have never opened, but you click again, plus click then, Create a Group. Select this item. Now here you specify the name of your group, right? Now click Private and choose here to whom this group will be available only to you, or Public. I choose Public, and then click Create Group. I wait literally a couple of seconds, goes the creation of the group. Now look here, I can add and invite all my friends if you want to skip this click. Next also you can click Share Group, and here copy the link to send it to someone after clicking. Next you can choose a photo that you will have for your group. Click. Next can come up with a description as well as specify information about our group to write. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.